doing something. Alexis, can you stir that up for me? That ain't stirred good, Alexis. Yeah, Alexis, they ain't stirred me up good, man. I ain't lying. Got me upset a little bit. I've been over there. God damn. They've been scaring. I don't like that when they just be. I don't like that, man. They need to be mixed up. I'm trying to get the right blend. You see what I'm talking about? That's what I said. Then I got the camera. I can't good. All right, let me see. Yeah. Yeah. Uncle Ant. What's up, Ant, man? Man, this is my Uncle Ant, y'all. He know how to work it a little bit now. I'll be back. Oh, shit. I don't even know what they could be used for.
Shit. On Simbo, Showdown, 2 Canadian guys right here. 2 past champions. That's Shoeing. And the 442, my man Mike Hollis. Shooter driver.
Okay. There go a good race, y'all.
Hey,
call along. Yeah. Let him keep towing. He be towing, I think.
Yeah.
He good at towing.
Yeah. No. He don't need to deal with no cars.
Yeah.
His ass need to it's a dog walking job in the newspaper.
Yeah.
Look it up.
Hey, Tracy. They say it's a dog walking job in a newspaper. Trey. He wants Tracy, right? Trey. With the white Camaro. Left lane with a 701, y'all.
Yeah, to me.
early.
You gotta stay in it. You can't get out of it.
He didn't get out of it though.
No, it ain't no return.
But can you do that?
Once you leave, it ain't no return. You can't get out of it.
Yeah, you right. You right. I don't know if you would have stayed. That bitch was hustling, man.